Good morning, children. Today, let us study chapter 4 Simple Equations. So, before we learn what is simple equation, so introduction. Equation. An equation is a condition on a variable such that two expressions in the variable should have equal value. I will once again read the statement. An equation is a condition. Equation in the word itself states that equation is a condition on a variable such that two expressions in the variable should have equal value. For example, here x plus 4, it is an expression. I will write, see here, x plus 4. So we called it as this one as expressions. What we call it as expressions. So here, if you want to call it as equation, it should be like this: x plus 4 equal to 6. Here equal symbol, note, this is left hand side and this is right hand side. We called it as equation. We call it as equation. So this just write like this: x plus 4, we called it as expression. And if we write x plus 4 equal to 6, so this is one statement and this is one statement and this is one statement. In between these two statements, here equal symbols are there, no? That is, x plus 4 is equal to 6. So here both are equal value. So we call it as equation. In that also, this x plus 4 we called it as LHS and this 6 we called it as RHS. That is, left hand side and right hand side of the equation should be equal. Here we called it as this x as, we called it as variable. What we called it as variable. So we have to give the value for this variable in the equation. The value of the variable for which the equation is satisfied is called the solution of the equation. So if we give the value to this variable, we find the value or we find the solution for the problem or in this equation. So next one, forming equation. For example, the sum of x plus 4 is equal to 6. The difference, how can we form the equation? It may be add, sum means add, or difference, that means subtract. Y minus z is equal to, y minus 2 is equal to 8. Here taken 2 away from y. Next one, product, that means multiplication. Product of 3x is equal to 21, or fraction of 1/4 of x. So here equation can be sum of x plus 4 is equal to 6, difference y minus 2 is equal to 8, product of 3x is equal to 21, fraction of 1/4 of x. So in the forms of fourth mathematical expressions, we can write the equations. Next comes putting values. How can we putting values for these variables? Putting values. Example, now I write x plus 4 is equal to 10. So now I put the values from 1. If I take value for x2, so put the value for x. So 2 is in the place of x. 2 plus 4, it will become 6. So is it right? No, it is wrong. Next I give the value 6 for x. Now put the 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So it comes the equation equal, that is left hand side and right hand side. That is, in this equation LHS equal to RHS. Then the equation is correct. Next one comes, this is one method. Another one method for putting values is hit and trial method. Hit and trial method. Hit and trial method. What is this hit and trial method? Let us learn with an example. Here 5p plus 2 equals 17. Now I give the value for p. If I give the value for p 1, so see here 5 into, this is 5 into p is 5p. This is the product. So 5p is 5 into 1 plus 2. So 5 ones are 5 plus 2, it becomes 7. No, this is wrong. If I give the value for p 2, so 5 into 2 plus 2. So 5 2s are 10 plus 2. It will become 12. It is also wrong. If I give value for p 3, so what will happen now? 5 into 3 plus 2 equals 17. So 5 3s are 15 plus 2, 17. So it is correct. So this is the hit and trial method. Given value, if it's not wrong, given another value like this. So now solving, next comes solving equations. ಹೇಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? Solving equations. Solving equation. Example, here 3 methods are there. Method 1. Method 1, balanced equation. Balanced equation. So this is one method. So example. So equation x plus 6 is equal to 10. Here we have to subtract this 6 from both the sides. That is, subtract 6 from plus 6 and 10. So write like this. So here have to subtract 6 from both the sides. That is left hand side and right hand side. So x plus 6 minus 6 is equal to 10 minus 6. Here plus 6 minus 6 got. So x is equal to 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. This is the one method. Method 2. Method 2. Here I subtract the number from both the sides. Here I add the number to both the sides. For example, 3p minus 10 is equal to 5. So add 10 to both the sides. Here, if it is minus, we have to take plus. If it is plus, we have to take minus. So minus 10 plus 10 is equal to 5 plus 10. We have to add plus 10 here too. Here also and here also. So here got 1 plus 1 minus 10 minus 10 plus 10, it becomes 0. So 3p is equal to 5 plus 10, 15. So now here in this we get 3p is equal to 15. Now we have to divide 3 from 3p and 15. So 3p by 3 is equal to 15 by 3. Here also got 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 5s are. So p is equal to 5. So this is the one method. This is first method, balance method. This is the second method. But this is not efficient method to solve the equation. So method number 3, transposing method. What is this transposing? So let us learn with an example. For example, x plus 6 is equal to 10. What is this transposing means? Transposing this plus 6 to from left hand side to right hand side. So if it is plus, it becomes minus 6. If it is minus, it becomes plus. If it is multiply into symbol, it will become division symbol. If it is division symbol, it will become multiplication symbol. So LHS to RHS, it will become like this. See here, plus will become minus,